panagat. This is my first makeup video after being away for like more than a week, you guys. Hindi ako nakapag-upload ng makeup video for probably 2 weeks or some more than a week. I was super duper busy. If you were able to watch my last video, meron akong bagong business, you guys. So, by the way, kailangan nyo munang puntahan at kailangan nyo munang i-follow ang emo.clothing on Instagram. And you guys, I'll be uploading my new designs in a couple of days. So, please watch out for it. Pero i-follow nyo na ngayon. And ako ay merong giveaway nung first design ko. It's like my Miss Bea merch. A perfect pang regalo sa sarili mo if you love makeup, if you love lippies, or perfect pang regalo sa jowa mo, sa asawa mo and everything. Or basta. It's a perfect something for you. Head over to @emo.clothing to know paano ka makakasali sa giveaway, you guys. Okay? So again, @emo.clothing. That's Emo Clothing Manila sa Instagram. And you'll find out how you can join the giveaway. Pero for today, meron akong bagong ibibida, you guys. Kasi kung kilala nyo si DJ JaiHo, he's a very, very good friend of mine. Plus, dati rin siyang DJ ng MOR. Nagawa na niya ang kanyang isa sa mga pangarap niya, ang magkaroon ng makeup line, at meron na siyang sariling makeup line. I'm so happy for you, Jai. Congratulations! Actually, I'm so happy for us. Kasi unti-unti na natin, alam mo yun, ginagawa yung mga gusto na natin, matagal nating pangarap. So, ang bida natin for today is this highlighter palette. This is Shine by DJ or by JaiHo, not DJ anymore. Shine by JaiHo. So pag bumili ka, it comes in this rainbow, really cutie packaging. And then nakasil yan ng plastic, you guys. And first time ko siyang makikita ngayon. So sabay-sabay nating may explore ang highlighter na ite. Gusto ko muna makita para I would know what kind of makeup look I'll be able to do. Pagtanggal mo ng plastic seal, meron pang ganire. Taray, Jai ha. So, ito ang packaging sa likod. Ayan yung mga ingredients. And then, it's 4.6 grams. It's cruelty-free. 36 months upon opening ang kanyang buhay. And when you open it... So, meron siyang tatlong choices, you guys. At ito ang napusuan kong... Ito yung napusuan kong palette. Pero meron siyang tatlong shades. Ay, ang ganda. Ganda ng packaging, moms. I-swatch natin. Ito yung first one. So, it's a pearl highlighter. Ay. I must swatch the second. Is the second one. Para siyang merong tag dito, very slight purpley undertone. And then the last one, ay, maganda to sa mga, ay, ang pigmented dye. Is this a highlighter or an eyeshadow? Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a highlighter and also an eyeshadow. I think, for me, I would definitely use that as an eyeshadow dye. Let's start glamming up. First I'm going to do is my base, and I'm going to use itong sa VT Cosmetics na, ano tawag dito? Sunblock. Plus, guys, i-share ko na rin sa inyo yung mga naging favorites ko. Favorite makeup for the past couple of weeks. Maybe you can call this like a January favorites. Konting makeup lang yung ginamit ko ng January. So, this is just going to be like a few, few favorites. For eyebrows, I'm so sorry guys. Ito pa rin talaga. Wala pang bagong kapalit. Ito pa rin talaga. Skin Potions Brow of Wonders. Para sa mga lazy girls like me who want an easy brows. Ito pa rin talaga, dai. For foundation, I am slowly but surely falling in love. Itong sa Sassy Lady Matte Long Wear Foundation. At ayan, natutuklap-tuklap na siya. Kaka-gamit ko every now and then. I always warm it up at the back of my hand. And then nakafocus lang ako sa paglalagay sa gitna. And then I'm going to blend it like outwards. This is actually a very moussey foundation. Na buildable full coverage siya, you guys. Pero you have to be very careful in choosing your shade. Kasi itong napili ko, ano shade ba to? God, I think this is 02. Kinda lighter sa skin tone ko, pero nag-oxidize kasi. So, okay lang. I'm just gonna add a little bit more dito sa under eyes. So, I think one layer is enough for me. Gusto ko lang medyo light. Sort of. For my eyes, ang current go-to eyeshadow palette ko is from FS Cosmetics. Ito yung Filipiniana eyeshadow. Particularly yung minamahal na shade. And look at this, you guys. Meron siyang perfect shades na, alam mo yun, really good for everyday wear. So every time I have a Zoom meeting or I have to go out very quickly, but you know, I want to look somehow a little bit glam, kahit man lang sa sarili ko, alam mo yun, alam ko sa sarili ko, nag-glam ako kahit hindi nakikita ng ibang tao. I reach out for this palette. Teka, ayusin natin. So I'm going to take this one first. I'm going to get a smaller brush and then take this shade, medyo malang gray-ish, and then I'm just going to apply it dito sa dulo so I can have a more defined eyeshadow look. Probably a little bit under, just a little bit. I'm going to apply a little bit sa lash area. And I do encourage you guys to, you know, play with eyeshadows. Kasi yun na lang nakikita sa atin pag lalabas tayo. That's like the first thing, the only thing actually they see. Kasi syempre naka-mask tayo, naka-face shield tayo, diba? So somehow, pagandahin nyo na yung mga mata ninyo. Not for other people, but you know, it feels good to know na you look bongga inside, behind the mask, behind the face shield. Fluffy brush again, just blend the two colors. Alam mo yun, tsaka pagkakain ka sa restaurant, diba, hubarin mo rin naman yan. So, oh my god, makikita nila, ay bongga, ganda ng eyeshadow ni ating. I'm really curious dito sa shade na ito. Kasi parang hindi lang siya highlighter. It's also a nice eyeshadow kung ganito katindi yung pigment. Okay, let's see. Ay, oo nga. Tsaka, it has a nice mirror, oh. I love it. I love it, JaiHo. If you're watching this, congratulations. So, I'm going to get this one. Yung pearly na highlighter, and I'm going to apply it sa brow bone ko. So I'm not gonna put an eyeliner, pero I'm gonna go straight to mascara, and current favorite is this one from the Vice X Antlets collection, yung kanilang Super Mega Ultra Curl. I have an in-depth review about this, you guys. I discussed there kung worth it ba siya, yung price niya na 300 pesos. Hindi lang sa itsura, kundi sa, alam mo yun, sa performance, sa lasting effect. So, ayan, ang difference ng walang mascara sa merong mascara. One layer, but like 50 strokes. Time to contour and highlight. For contour, Ara colors pa rin talaga, guys. Mag-suggest nga kayo sa baba ng magandang, anong tawag dito, contour powder. Ayoko ng yung medyo cool tone, guys. Kasi sa skin tone ko, and to my preference, gusto ko talaga yung mga cool tone. Kasi yun yung parang magandang, parang shadow-like lang talaga siya. Kasi pag yung mga warm, mga brown, yung brown lang, plain brown, yung halatang contour, ko masyadong napupusuan yung mga ganun. Kasi ayoko ng, alam mo yun, in your face, oh, this is brown. Ganda-ganda na Ara colors, lalo na for nose contour. bago highlight, blush muna pala, guys. I rediscovered my love for the Skin Potions Glam Pocket. Kasi nung nakaraan, ng January, gumawa ako ng live, Lazada live for Skin Potions, and I featured the Glam Pockets, and I fell in love all over again. I remember na, oh my god, bongga nga pala ite. So, syempre kailangan i-disperse yung color at the back of my hand. And then yun ang for highlight, I'm going to use ito. Yung Pearly Shiny Shimmering Splendid. Kasi parang yun ang swak sa aking skin tone. Ooh! Alam mo, hindi siya anong tawag dito? It's not glittery. Pas wala siyang, sorry na keme ng kuko ko. Wala siyang fallouts. Good for everyday, you guys. Akala ko pang party effect, pero hindi. It's actually a pang, alam mo yon, pang glam pwede, pero pang everyday pwede rin. I love this as an eyeshadow kasi hindi siya swak sa skin tone ko. But I love this for the face. Lalo pa siguro if nag-set ako. Teka. Guys, I do recommend i-try nyo itong palette na to. I do believe this is 600 or 699. Pero totally worth it kasi you get 3 shades. Tapos meron din siyang mirror. It's really sturdy, so on the go siya. You can like slip it on your bag. This one is for me perfect na, ayan o, pang eyeshadow. Pero if you're like a deep morena, maganda tong highlighter, you guys. Okay, sold ako. I'm so happy I bought this. Itong Shine by JaiHo na highlighting palette. This is like a celebrity palette. JaiHo is a celebrity. So this celebrity palette is like really good. Check it out, you guys. I do recommend that you try it. Ayan o. Okay, so for my lips, I have been trying to take care of my lips more ngayong 2021. So I've been using products na might tint pero somehow my protection kahit paano, and I have been loving itong sa Sun Glow by Fresh ni May and ni Ray, itong tinted lip screen with SPF 50 in the shade Sangria. Actually, I love all of them, pero for this particular eye look, I think I'm gonna go with Sangria. So we are done for today's video. Again, I do recommend i-try nyo itong Shine by JaiHo na eyeshadow palette. I'm going to link it down below, so please do check it out. So congratulations, Jai, for coming out with your makeup line. So happy for you. That's it for today's video, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!